I'm Arnell with Arnell Tech, and if you're looking to set up Xbox Cloud Gaming on either your iPhone or your iPad, you came to the right place. And you can do it in as easy as 3 simple steps, one of which you probably have already done. So the first step's actually very simple. You're going to want to make sure you have Game Pass Ultimate subscription, which is pretty much about $15 a month. The second step, you're going to go to xbox.com/play, and you're going to do this on either your iPhone or your iPad, wherever you want to play, and you're going to want to make sure you sign in to your Microsoft account. Now, the third step is actually optional. When you sign in to your Microsoft account, there's usually a little pop-up that asks if you want to add this web page to your home screen, which is kind of a workaround since there actually is no cloud gaming app specifically on the App Store. So it's basically a workaround to be able to use this web page and have it launch right there on your home screen as if it were an app. It's a nice little workaround that is Apple approved. And that's literally it. You now have access to the Game Pass Cloud Gaming library, and so now you can play any of these games that are cloud gaming eligible, which you can do from your AAA titles, your indie titles, lots of different options to choose from. You can also elevate your experience by getting a controller accessory like the Backbone One. That is a controller accessory that literally snaps onto your phone and turns your phone into something sort of like a Switch with controls on hand. Or you can literally use the hardware that you probably already have, which is an actual Xbox controller for either the Series S or the Series X. And by using the Bluetooth, you can connect the controller directly to your phone or to your iPad. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss another upload like this where we do tech hacks, tutorials, and lots of other videos that you might be interested in. And you might notice that I am using a different background than my other normal videos, and that is because I also have a gaming channel, which you are welcome to subscribe to. I will have that linked down below in the description, and also check the pinned comment down below. And if you are somebody like me where you have an Xbox and a PlayStation and you want to set up similarly PlayStation Remote Play on either your phone or your iPad, be sure to check out this video right here where I go over how to set that up for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.